Every week across the country and now across the world, people are stepping into rooms they never thought they could enter. They're finding honesty, they're finding healing, they're finding Jesus through the love of a community that refuses to give up on them. That's what 423 Communities is all about. Creating spaces where men, women, and teens can be real about their struggles and experience freedom together. This year, we've watched new 423 groups form in churches and cities that we've never reached before. We've seen pastors and leaders get equipped to walk alongside the broken. We've seen families restored, marriages healed, hearts renewed. So on this Giving Tuesday, we're celebrating what God is doing through all of you, through your prayers, your support, and your belief that freedom can really happen inside of community. Your generosity fuels every story of transformation, every new group, every life changed, every person finding hope again. So today, let's keep freedom spreading, because when one life is restored, entire communities begin to heal. Join us this Giving Tuesday at 423communities.org/donate.